Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today I wanted to talk to you and show you what type of print quality the Canon Maxify GX4020 is able to produce. I'm going to be using this Canon photo paper. It's Plus Glossy 2. There's going to be a link for various different products I end up talking about in this video down in the description below. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, the first thing I want to do is print out a double-sided document, and I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like when it's actually printing. Now, I have to say I was impressed with the speed at which this printer is able to print. Now, this video is not about printing these types of documents. It's more about the photo printing, but I'd like to show you what the speed looks like when it's printing regular documents and when it's printing double-sided. That's very important. So the very first picture that we're going to print, and all the pictures we're going to print, are going to be on this photo paper, the Canon photo paper, link down in the description below. Now, when you're printing photos from any printer, what's very important is what's on screen here right now, and that is the printer settings, the options. You need to select the type of photo paper you're using. You need to select the type of quality that you want when you're printing. Unfortunately, you don't have the option on this device for borderless printing, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and print these anyways with the border. And so just select all the different options. You need to just go through, get familiar with the different options. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'm using the settings within it so that I'm able to get the best, absolute best photo quality. And as you can see, the printer is able to produce really high quality prints. You can see the different colors. You can see all the different texture and the different things that are going on, the light shining through, and then the blue sky in the background. All these things are being portrayed really well with the color depth that this printer is able to produce on photo paper. All right, so let's move on to our next photo that we're going to be printing. Here we have another very colorful, very detailed picture that we want to print. And again, I'm selecting all the different options that are going to help me produce a very good and high quality photo. When you're printing photos, you want the absolute highest quality. Some printers are not able to meet the standard maybe that you're wanting to reach with your photo printing. And so this is going to give you a great idea of the photo quality that this printer is able to produce. It's also very, very quick printing photos. Many other printers on the market are very slow when it comes to printing on photo paper. And this printer, I would say within less than a minute, maybe 30 seconds to 50 seconds is what it took to actually fully have a fully printed picture. And as you can see, again, great quality. I was very happy with this picture. Now, you can use the Canon print app through the App Store, but I found it difficult. Here I am trying to use it, and I didn't really have much success with it. Actually, at the end of this, I end up going back to the iPhone settings so that I could print directly from the iPhone and not use the app. You may have success with it. You may have some luck, but I really didn't, and I didn't really like the whole setup. And I was really checking if you could print borderless, and you're not able to even through there. So I ended up going through this route. Now, the size of photo paper I'm using in this video is 8.5 by 11, but you can also use smaller paper sizes, and really larger. You can't go up any higher because this is not a wide format printer, but you can go smaller with the photo size. Here again, we have a high quality photo printed very quickly, and there are no discrepancies with this process of printing these different photos. So overall, very, very happy with the print quality results for the Canon Maxify GX4020. I highly recommend this printer. I highly recommend this photo paper. There's links for both of these products in the description below. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. If you ever have any issues printing and a certain color is not printing, check out my repair video for this printer. It will solve any color discrepancy related problems, printing blank pages, all that kind of stuff. You actually can solve it by using the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. So you can look that up on my channel. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.